They are my children, to be honest. Their mother abandoned them when they were 5 days old. I bottle fed them and raised them. They are 2.5 years old now.
أطفال.
I love cats. I've been raising cats for the past 19 years. People do not usually feed stray cats. If they try to feed them and help them, they usually feed them things that harm them, like chicken bones, which are not good for their stomachs and can cause bleeding.
ممكن يعملهم نزيف.
I always knew I wanted to do something special in my aviation career, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. It's only once my sister flew around the world that I knew I also wanted to fly around the world. The first place I'm stopping is Trapani, which is a small, well, it's an airport in Sicily. From there I go south through Africa all the way to Madagascar. From then I go north all the way to about Dubai. Then I go east, Pakistan, India, China, South Korea, Japan, the USA, then Mexico, then USA again. Canada, then I finish here in Bulgaria, then I probably have to go back to school.